Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with a new topic, that is role of government in the health department. We are going to study about what is the meaning of the word health, whether the health means only physical health or some other areas also, and also we'll be dealing with some other issues related to the health, public department, and also various services provided by the government. We'll be also studying about the two examples given in the book, which is related to the Kerala experience and the Costa Rican approach. So let us move ahead. Therefore, the health around depends upon the basic amenities and the social condition of the people around, right? So here I would like to give one more example, that is the Kerala experience, where it has been explained that in the 1996 the Kerala government has passed a budget which was around 40% budget was given to the panchayat, and then through that money the panchayat were able to do certain provide certain amenities or improve the conditions wherever necessary related to the not only health areas but also other areas whichever needed proper functioning. It was education, providing water facilities, improving the condition of women in education, and also they improved the certain health facility in the village. And they also had to, here we found that overall development was made through the money, and which helped to improve the condition of the areas. The another example I would like to deal here with the Costa Rican approach. So in this, while dealing with this topic, you will understand that how the country is able to improve the health. So they took a very important decision. Costa Rican is a country in the Central America, so it took a very important decision that not to have an army. So the money which was about to spend for the army, they used and utilized that money to spend for the health of the people in the country. So we can see that it not only spent that money on the improving the health, but also to provide certain basic amenities to improve the standard of the living of the people of the country. So according to them, they feel that in order to see the country develop, in order to see the country flourish, it is very important that the health of the people plays a very important role. So they gave most priority to the health of the people than any other. So this is how the country has taken a step in order to provide the good health facilities to the people around the country and to improve the standard of the living.